see what I got for you. It's a 3-box. You see the Carolina blue, the UNC blue. It's a Jordan 3 UNC. Let me tell you, the quality on this shoe, I can smell it. The box, look at the box. Like the box, I don't know. It feels. I was in Chicago All-Star Weekend, and I seen the cement, the red cement threes. You know what I'm saying? I can't even remember. I forget the name. I didn't like the quality on those. The box felt. I don't know. I didn't like it. Ooh. See, look. Ooh. See, I know I told you. Look at that. Look at that. This shoe smells good, bro. This don't even smell like this. The materials on this, the leather and the elephant print is smacking them red cements threes. I want to tell you that right now. I feel a quality difference. I don't. That's my opinion. Your opinion and my opinion can differ. I'm allowed to do that. I'm gonna tell y'all right now though. The box has the elephant print paper. Per usual. I don't feel like it's like a blue tint or nothing now. But yeah, let me just go over this right shoe real quick, cause each of them have different wording. This one, the right hand has heart. Soul, heart and soul. So yeah. Definitely. The material, the sock liner, I don't know, it feels like, I don't know, it's a different type. I don't know. They've used the material before, but I forget what I can compare it to. It feels like it would be a little bit warm. But not, nothing, it doesn't go throughout the shoe. It's just right here. Sock liner. Man, this is a great shoe. The leather on this is great. The toe box, I feel like this is gonna crease nicely. This is gonna be a great summer shoe. You can, it's blue and mainly white, so the dirt, it's gonna be a factor. But you got people that take care of sneakers. You can take care of this sneaker. This is a sneaker that you can take care of because the leather quality is fantastic. And the Jumpman, the stitching on the Jumpman is great. I personally grabbed a size 8.5 and a 10. I had to go to 2 different malls because that's how rare these were. The mall that I hit heavy on, that you see me go crazy with crazy Yeezys or all the Concords, not the Concord, but the Breads. I had a Concord stupid too. I didn't even, that's a mistake. But once again, like, all I'm trying to say is these were limited. That store had 32 pair, they said. Nothing. And, the boys made sure they got their pair, you know what I'm saying? So it's still part of all that. But, man, I can't even put this back in the box. The leather on this is beautiful. Look at the bottom of this shoe. I heard a lot of the shipment is in North Carolina, the Carolinas. Home base taking care of them. But man, this is great. It's the gluing, the stitching is great. I don't see any problems on this, like anything. Like, boy, qualities to the max. The air on the back. Yeah, if you happen to go be in a little small town, and you see these sitting, go ahead and get these. But if these not sitting anywhere. I know that. If you want to get a hold of these, eBay link in the description, Instagrams in the descriptions, holla at me. Hold on. Fucking up. That's why we're filming over here today. This might be the spot though. I like this counter. I like my background more than before. So let me know how you like the video. Yeah, I know I left, bro. Chill out. But appreciate it. Give me a like. Give me a comment. Tell me how you feel about this. March is going to be a busy month. We got to release every weekend. So whether it be Yeezy or Jordan, so I believe this is going to be one profitable for resellers such as myself. I am a reseller. From time to time, I will go there and just buy the shit out because I have extra $5,000-$6,000 I can have sitting around on shoes all the time. So, hey man, it's definitely an opportunity to be made. I would had opportunity to sell these for $265 on eBay. I didn't take the offer. Posted it on StockX, fucking idiot. And I don't even know why I did that. Like as soon as I left the store, and I didn't even put the right price in, so it sold for like $285, which is like a $250 payout. So I'm like, oh, fuck. I emailed them, so I told them to cancel it. So these will be on the eBay link. They're on there right now, instantly, along with some Yeezys. I still have some Earthshaw 13, size 11.5. Get at me. Hopefully, time you seeing this, they're still there. If they're not, you know where they went. Fucking goddamn StockX. Probably not. I hate StockX. I'm telling you, I sell on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Those are my favorite platforms. Everything else is just not. I don't know, man. It's just not cool. It's just like the fees are ridiculous. Like the other one, my second option other than eBay is, or like Facebook Marketplace, eBay is SneakerCon. SneakerCon is good, but they need more traffic. SneakerCon, we got to get you more traffic. Like I don't know what it is, but we just need it. It needs to be like a little bit more simplification of the app where everybody can see pricing just a little bit more, bro. I understand you don't want to make it easy. You want to make it personally dictated for everybody can dictate what they want from the shoe, and that's why SneakerCon is not like StockX. In that model, like the exchange and the verification of shoes, yes. And to be honest, the payout and verification with SneakerCon, I like it. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, I like it more. I heard they also, when you buy the shoe, it shows you who checks the shoe, like who verified it. So that's way better. Let's not do that with StockX. So, think about that. Think about that when you out here selling shoes. Maybe something in your collection that's sitting. That's 8% SneakerCon versus whatever percentage you get with, if you don't have a legacy account or grandfather in with 7%, you get the scale, which is 9.5, 9, 8.5. I think the lowest you can get is 8.5, maybe 8. Most likely 8.5. But I'm at a 9% on there plus PayPal's 3%. So it is what it is. If they won't cancel without fees or whatever, then I'm gonna be like, F it. Like y'all can have it at $250. It's next. The whole weekend's good. I made money on the 8.5. So that day on eBay. Was one of them things. Forgot to take that one off. But long story short, guys, don't do what I did. Don't put stuff on StockX. Just don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Put it on eBay, my nigga. My people. Well, either way, my nigga and my people. Fuck you mean. But subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Oh, these shoes are great, man. If you want these are size 10. DM me, sneaker_swerve on the Instagram. I got you. We'll set it up real nice, 2-day shipping. You know how it is, what, $13-$14? It's easy, man. You're done. And for subscribers, this is another thing. For subscribers, you get deals. If you want to buy from me, just show me you subscribe to the channel. DM me at sneaker_swerve. Follow that Instagram, and I got you. We're gonna set you up with at least $10 off. Sometimes if I'm selling something, like if I put them straight, I'm not gonna do the strange love. But if I do some more of these black cinders, you know where to be. You know where to come. And you know what they'll be at right here. eBay store, Sneaker Swerve. Holla at me.